Dual power supply. The cordless tire inflator comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. Besides giving a car cigarette lighter adapter with a 10-feet cord, it can attach to the rear wheels. The battery pack has a USB port and a lighted indication of the remaining battery charge. Supplied a portable USB power cord. Take us Yyton air compressor for car, portable and easy. Multi-purpose, with additional 3 nozzles and fuse included. The portable air compressor is perfect for cars, mid-size trucks, mid-size SUVs, motorcycles, bicycle tires, balls, pool toys, other inflatable toys, and more. Compatible with all vehicles with DC 12-volt cigarette lighter socket.